Hello everyone. Long story short, this video is to show you my new bike.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief on my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone.
So this is my new Suzuki Gs500. I love this bike. I managed to make two times ride with it. I only use it for city until now. On Sunday we're gonna have a long journey on a city in a near city, like 200 kilometers, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna be on long rides. But until now in city I love it. It's very light bike. I love the size of the tank. It's 20 liters tank. And now we're gonna take our first ride for video, for channel. Let me show you. The sound of the exhaust. Easy to handle on cornering. I love how this bike is taking corners. Now let's see in town, in traffic. Because it's very light, it's easy to handle between cars. You have very nice balance. Your position is very nice also. Ooh, I love this bike. I love everything what this bike is. I'm in love with it.
the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey, you been whacked. I kill them all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.